Hello, my name is Rob Freeman and welcome to Alpha Power Cleaners. Today we're looking at the Tennant T500 pedestrian floor scrubber dryer, and in particular on this video we're going to look at how to fill the clean water tank. Now the clean water tank on this machine is located at the front of the machine, which can be seen here. To fill it, we always recommend using a hose as opposed to a bucket. That stops debris and other foreign items entering the clean water tank. Lift the lid and fill the clean water tank accordingly. The fill level can be seen on the rear of the machine on this clear hose, which can also be used to drain the tank. Now if you're going to use chemicals for the machine, the chemicals are added to the clean water tank at the front at the same time as the water. We'd recommend Alpha Scrub, which is our own brand detergent, which can be diluted between 3 and 5% depending on the soiling. We'd always recommend, if you're going to leave the machine stood for any period of time, to empty the clean water tank and flush it through with water to stop any blockages.